Hi, this is Carnivore Floor. This video is to talk to those that believe that eating carnivore is expensive. And as I am cooking, I am thinking this will be a good video to make because, for example, I cook for a living. I am cooking for this family now, and I'm making just an orzo salad to go with a salmon. I'm all good with the salmon, but look at what it takes to make the orzo salad. Feta cheese, peppers, green onions, carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, parsley, and of course, orzo. Anyhow, I think my microphone is not working. I don't know. So sorry about that. I will check it out. The point is, if you start thinking about eating 3 times a day as a basis, because really, if you eat carbs or a plant-based or this standard American diet, you eat 3 times a day plus you snack, because you're going to stay hungry. Not only you are going to stay hungry, you're going to stay ill with inflammation. It might be the kind of inflammation that doesn't affect your life too much, those pounds you accumulate and a little ache in your joints, and maybe your skin is like look at this skin, guys, for a 60-year-old, seriously. And you can tell there is no filters, nothing. And this is not the best. I don't like the iPhone because it makes my nose bigger. Anyhow, who cares? So yeah, your skin, your wrinkles, if you check your inflammatory markets, they will tell you the truth. So you're eating a lot for just food that is not helping you, it's not going to help you. When you eat beef, you eat twice, perhaps a day, and you feel like full because you have all the nutrition you need. And I swear that's the truth. And I will do a breakdown of the cost of eating a regular diet compared to a carnivore diet. So I have a video about the different variations in the carnivore diet: animal-based, carnivore, keto carnivore, etc. So if you want, check it out. So every day, I think about my choice and the way I feel and how much I want to share that is not expensive, that is not dangerous, that you're not going to have any issues with your digestion. Yes, at the beginning it's hard, we know that, but that is subject for a different video. Speaking of different videos, I am going to make a couple of recipes. So that's it. Not much to say today, but I wanted to just say that please give carnivore a try. Just give it a try. I love you. Go carnivore!